Even boys and girls wey dey for street fit turn better programmers tap tap. Na why I dey try explain programming concepts for pidgin. Today I go tell you the difference between tuples, sets and lists for Python. All of these things we dey take am save different data types inside one box so that we no go need to dey use different variables. But the difference be say list we dey take store data wey be say we fit change later, and we wan make sure say the other way we take store no go change. Also, inside one list you fit write the same data 2 times or more. Na square brackets we take dey write list. Tuple na like list, but with tuple you no fit change anything wey you don write for your list. You no fit add, remove or append. Na regular bracket we take dey write tuples. Lastly, we get sets. The thing for sets be say you no fit write the same thing twice for sets, and you no fit maintain your order. E no matter if you add one thing first or last, the arrangement dey always change. Na curly brackets we take dey write set. Use list if you wan modify or change wetin dey in your list. Use tuple if you wan make sure say your list no go change anytime in your program. And finally, use set if you wan search for wetin dey your list quickly and effectively. I go dey explain more programming concepts like this for my next video, so make sure say you like, share with your friends and follow this page. Thank you for your attention to this matter.